Hi there, realtors. I'm Carrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and coach, and today I'm here to dive into the wild world of social media where billions of people scroll, like, and share for hours every single day. I'll show you 10 epic benefits of social media for real estate agents that you don't want to miss. Hold on to the end to learn those little subtleties of different social media platforms so you'll pick what's best for you. So let's get to it. I'm with eXp Realty and the Wolfpack sponsorship team. When you partner with us and the Wolfpack, you'll get more value than anyone else in the real estate business is offering, including step-by-step free instruction on how to do all major social media platforms as taught by Mike Sherrard, world-renowned expert, and it's all free when you partner with us. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. Okay, let's talk social media. According to the National Association of Realtors Technology Survey for 2021, social media skyrocketed to the third most valuable tool for 53% of realtors, right behind e-signature and local MLS apps. And let's be real, e-signature like DocuSign and MLS apps are non-negotiables for real estate agents. We need those to do our job, but they don't do much to bring in new leads. So, social media is the number one tool for realtors to get those new juicy leads. Sure, some agents are still stuck in the Stone Age, pounding the pavement with door knocking, sending out postcards, and farming neighborhoods. But guess what? More and more agents are realizing that hitting up YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram beats the pants off of those old school methods any day. The advantages of social media for real estate agents are downright massive. Let's go over some of those advantages. 1, it's free. First of all, let's talk about everyone's favorite word, free. That's right. From YouTube to Facebook and Instagram to LinkedIn, these platforms can be accessed without costing you a single dime. And they offer access to a vast pool of potential clients. Now, that doesn't mean you won't want to spend some money with it by maybe hiring an editor or buying some ads, but bottom line, social media can be successfully done for free. 2, know, like, trust. A compelling advantage of social media for real estate agents lies in the remarkable efficiency and effectiveness. That is, as potential buyers and sellers scroll through your awesome content, they're not just learning about your business. Those viewers are also naturally getting to know you, liking your vibe, and trusting your expertise. In other words, they're getting to know, like, and trust you. This know, like, and trust principle is a key marketing concept that suggests people are more inclined to work with those that they feel connected to. Building those factors with your social media paves the way for seamless conversions from curious browsers to loyal clients. 3, attracts clients. Here's the huge advantage of social media marketing for real estate agents. It's not merely about collecting leads. It's about snagging clients. Think of it this way. Traditional marketing can feel like running a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. It's exhaustive, requiring years of nurturing before a lead finally becomes a client, often draining both your time and money along the way. But social media? That offers a shortcut path without the bricks. When someone reaches out to you, they're already past the window shopping phase. They're not just another name in your lead list. They're a prospective client ready to take the next step. That's the power of social media for real estate agents. Your content is more than attractive visuals and clever captions. It's actively warming up potential clients for you. It transforms the traditional, slow conversion process into a more streamlined and effective journey, making it easier for you to convert those leads into real committed clients. By the time they call you, they're ready to work with you. 4, works 24/7. Hold on, it gets even better. Social media is like your own personal assistant that never clocks out. Picture this. You're tucked in for the night or hitting the gym to shake off the day's stress, and meanwhile, your social media is out there hustling for you. around the clock. Potential clients are scrolling, engaging, and getting to know the real you, building that essential trust, even while you're catching Z's or lifting weights. By the time you're sipping your morning coffee, your inbox could be buzzing with messages from clients who found themselves hooked on your content in the wee hours. Now, if that's not the epitome of working smarter, not harder, I don't know what is. 5. Brand building. Nailing down a rock-solid brand presence is key to building trust and credibility in the client-agent world. Think of social media for real estate agents as your stage, a slick, seamless platform where you can craft and showcase your brand's personality in full color. Social media marketing isn't just about visibility. It's your spotlight, your moment to shine. It's where you get to strut your stuff, highlighting your unique value propositions that make you stand out in the real estate crowd. Here's your chance to show the world what makes you not just any agent, but the agent. The one with that special something that sets you apart from the rest. 6. Increased exposure. Think of social media platforms as your digital billboards, supercharging your visibility through social media marketing to an audience that spans far and wide. Imagine this. You drop a stunning photo of a new listing and boom! Thanks to your savvy social media marketing for real estate agents, you've got the eyes of hundreds, maybe even thousands of eager onlookers from around the block and across the globe, all captivated by what you've showcased. It's like hitting the visibility jackpot with just one click. 7. Directly engage. Direct engagement takes center stage with social media for real estate agents, transforming every interaction into an opportunity. It's like you're the star of your own real estate reality show, where you engage directly with the audience and answer their questions on the fly. And here's the kicker. This isn't just some flashy gimmick. This personalized approach is your secret ingredient, a trust-building, relationship-forging elixir that magically transforms casual browsers into committed clients. It's the kind of direct connection that makes social media marketing not just a strategy, but a game changer in how you grow your business and your brand. 8. Past clients. Nurturing past clients isn't just about sending the occasional "how are you" message. It's about keeping those relationships alive and kicking. By staying alive on social media platforms, realtors ensure they're always on the radar of their past clients. It's like being the friendly neighbor who's always waving hello, sparking conversations, and reminding them why they loved working with you in the first place. This strategy isn't just about staying relevant. It's about cementing your status as their go-to real estate expert, dramatically increasing your chances of securing repeat business and those golden referrals. 9. Cost-effective ads. As I already mentioned, social media marketing for real estate agents can be done for free. While you can totally dominate this game without spending a dime, why not sprinkle a little budget magic for that extra sparkle? Think of your social media ads as your budget-friendly marketing strategy, catapulting your reach far beyond traditional methods, all without the huge expense of traditional methods. Thanks to the wizardry of precise targeting options, you can zero in on your dream audience with greater accuracy, minimizing waste and maximizing impact. Social media ads are the secret sauce to boosting your visibility and drawing in clients like a magnet, all on a budget that keeps your wallet happy. 10. Pick platforms. The last benefit of social media is that you can make choices about your platforms. You're at the helm with the freedom to tailor your approach, choosing to either become a master of one platform or a jack of all trades across several platforms, or even all of them. Here's the good news. Juggling multiple platforms doesn't have to be overwhelming. You can fine-tune your strategy, repurposing your stellar content across different platforms, ensuring your social media efforts are efficient. However, There's absolutely no pressure to do every single platform. If a single platform becomes your golden goose, filling your client roster with ease, then there's no need to spread yourself too thin trying to dominate everywhere. Zeroing in on just one platform can be your secret weapon. It gives you the luxury to dive deep, unlocking and mastering its unique features and tapping into its specific audience. Now let's explore the distinctive flavors and crowds that each platform brings to the table. Facebook, the Grand Plaza. Think of Facebook as the town's Grand Plaza where people of all ages, but especially the wise and the seasoned crowd, gather. According to the AARP, in 2023, a whopping 71% of people aged 50 and older are scrolling, liking, and sharing away on Facebook. Here's your golden ticket to setting up shop with a business page and share some gems of your listings. Instagram, the artistic alley. Instagram is like that trendy artistic alley where every corner bursts with color, creativity, and style. It's where beautiful home photos, candid videos, and quirky reels become the talk of the town, captivating the hearts of millennials and Gen Z. Forbes magazine notes that a stunning 88% of Instagram users are between 18 and 44 years old. This is your canvas to paint the dream of home ownership with every post and story. LinkedIn, the professional park. Imagine LinkedIn as the city's distinguished professional park where industry insiders exchange handshakes, business cards, and insightful chit-chat. It's a space that values depth over dazzle, where you can establish your credibility, network with fellow real estate agents, and attract clients who appreciate the finer details of property investment and market trends. TikTok, the trendy cafe. TikTok is the city's trendy cafe where the young and the young at heart come for their daily dose of entertainment, laughter, and yes, real estate dreams. Here, short, engaging videos are the specials of the day, serving up property showcases and marketing insights with a bit of fun. It's a melting pot of audiences, offering you a vast market to charm and woo into your next open house. YouTube Shorts, the digital library. And then there's YouTube, akin to the city's vast digital library and the world's second largest search engine, owned by none other than Google. Whether it's in-depth tours of local neighborhoods or snappy market updates, YouTube is where your long-form video lives on, searchable and accessible forever. And with YouTube Shorts, you can sprinkle in snippets of your longer videos, making it irresistible for your fans to click and explore more of your content. All you have to do is hook up the related video to the short. Okay, that's a wrap. If you don't yet know about how you can get free social media training by partnering with us and the Wolfpack, or if you'd like to know more about that or about eXp Realty, those videos should be showing right now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.